BEELE Engineering is market leader in the field of sealing solutions for the fire-safe, gas and watertight sealing of pipe and cable penetrations. One of the systems is the SLIPSIL sealing plug. For installing the plugs, preferably use the CSD conduit sleeves. These are milled to the exact nominal sizes of the SLIPSIL plug for ease of installation. Furthermore, the sleeves are ground out to avoid sharp edges damaging the plug during insertion. The pipe has to be ducted straight and eccentrically. Before starting the installation of the sealing plug, any dirt, oil residues or welding spots should be removed. Check if the inner dimension of the conduit sleeve and the outer dimension of the service pipe are in accordance with the selected plug type. Lubricate the inner wall of the conduit sleeve and the surface of the service pipe with CSD lubricant along a distance corresponding to the length of the sealing plug. The inside surfaces of both segments of the sealing plug are then treated with CSD lubricant. Also, the outer profile of the segments is lubricated. One segment of the SLIPSIL plug is then inserted into the conduit sleeve as far as the first serration. For ease of installation, the first serration is smaller than the other ones. Next, insert the other segment into the conduit sleeve as far as the first serration. Then both segments are pushed in evenly, serration by serration, into the conduit sleeve. For fire-rated penetrations, the plugs have to be installed at both sides of the conduit sleeve. During insertion of this second plug, the air in between both plugs will be compressed. Release the compressed air from time to time by inserting a screwdriver in between both plug halves. Otherwise, it'll be tough to get the second plug fully inserted into the conduit sleeve. Use a hammer and a piece of wood to tap in the sealing plug until the flange is flush against the front side of the conduit sleeve. For A-class penetrations, the conduit sleeve needs to be insulated only at the insulated side of the bulkhead or at the lower side of the deck. In case there is only access from one side of the division, use is made of a combination of DYNATITE and SLIPSIL plugs. Before installing the DYNATITE plug, just make sure that dirt, oil residues and welding spots are removed from the conduit sleeve. Again, the inside wall of the conduit sleeve is treated with CSD lubricant. The segments of the DYNATITE plug are lubricated all around. These segments are placed around the ducted pipe and inserted into the conduit sleeve over the first serration. The plug is pushed by hand into the conduit sleeve. The flange of the DYNATITE plug fits into the conduit sleeve. The DYNATITE plug is tapped in with the hammer and a piece of wood to a length that should be a bit less than the length of a SLIPSIL plug. Then the SLIPSIL plug is installed as outlined before. Don't forget to release the compressed air from time to time. For A-class penetrations, the conduit sleeve needs to be insulated only at the insulated side of the bulkhead or lower side of the deck. SLIPSIL plugs are designed to provide fire-safe, gas and watertight seals for pipe penetrations. The plugs can be installed in just a couple of minutes.